How do processed foods affect evolutionary nutrition? Imagine trying to fit a puzzle piece into a space that no longer matches its shape. That's what happens when humans eat processed foods that don't align with our evolutionary past. Evolutionary nutrition looks at how our bodies developed over thousands of years, mainly during the Paleolithic era, before farming and modern food processing began. Back then, people ate foods like lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. They avoided grains, dairy, legumes, refined sugars, and processed oils because these weren't part of their natural environment. Processed foods are a big shift from that ancient diet. They often contain refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary snacks, and healthy fats from industrial seed oils, and additives that weren't available to early humans. These foods are designed to be quick, cheap, and highly appealing, but they don't give our bodies what they need to function properly. Instead, they can cause inflammation, disrupt digestion, and harm the good bacteria in our guts. Over time, this mismatch can lead to health problems like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and autoimmune issues. When we eat processed foods regularly, we're feeding our bodies ingredients that our genes aren't adapted to handle. For example, refined sugars cause blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. And healthy fats can promote inflammation, which is linked to many chronic diseases. Meanwhile, processed foods often lack the micronutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats found in whole and processed foods. These nutrients are essential for cell repair, immune function, and overall health. From an evolutionary nutrition perspective, returning to a diet based on whole and processed foods helps our bodies work as they were meant to. It means choosing foods like grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats from sources like olive oil and avocados. These foods provide the nutrients in forms that our bodies recognize and can use efficiently. Avoiding processed foods reduces metabolic stress and helps prevent many chronic health issues linked to modern diets. In practical terms, focusing on whole foods means shopping around the perimeter of the grocery store, where fresh produce, meats, and seafood are usually found. It also involves reading labels carefully to avoid hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Preparing meals at home allows better control over ingredients and helps stick to a diet that aligns with our evolutionary needs. By choosing foods that match the way humans evolved to eat, we support better digestion, stronger immune systems, and overall well-being. This approach not only honors our biological history but also promotes a healthier future.